Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you a toothpick logic puzzle to fool your friends. This is an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have 9 toothpicks and I've used them to form these 3 triangles, okay? So we form 3 triangles just like this with these 9 toothpicks. And you can see the triangles are sort of facing downwards. If you want to do this little trick, you got to do it exactly like this. So you're going to tell your friend that they're allowed to move 3 toothpicks to create 4 triangles. They're going to go ahead, they're going to sort of move the toothpicks around and they're going to try it out and they're probably not going to get it. And whenever they're ready for you to show them so that you've tricked them, what you're going to do is you're going to take these last 3 toothpicks over here on the last triangle, okay? So you're going to take 1, 2, 3 toothpicks away from there on the last triangle, and we're going to put the same 3 toothpicks over here, just like this. So one goes across, connecting those right there. Let's try that again. I do apologize. I'm doing this on a slanted surface. So I'll put that one like that over there. Okay. One goes across like this. Hopefully they stay. And then one goes across like that. So we form an additional triangle down here. And now we have 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple trick. You can use it to fool your friends. It's that simple, okay? And if you do this properly, you'll be able to fool all of your friends, and you can use toothpicks, you can use matchsticks, you can use anything that is similar to this. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.